Hello, I'm Kebron, and today we're here with a new video about artificial intelligence. As you already know, Kebrons, I bring you very interesting things here, as well as artificial intelligences that are very useful in everyday life and also for creating absolutely amazing things. Today I'm bringing you a new artificial intelligence tool that honestly has me truly amazed by what it's capable of. But I want to show you only the features that can be done completely for free, just by simply registering for a new account. Let's dive in and see exactly what it's all about. Vive me! There's an artificial intelligence that does a ton of things. It does crazy stuff. But I want to do something that's really, really cool. This is the page, as you can see. Something that's absolutely incredible, extremely entertaining, and best of all, it's for free. It is completely and totally free of charge. So I have already registered an account for it. They actually gave me 30 of these specific credits, which I guess you automatically get when you first sign up for the service. And I noticed that, for example, to turn a static image into a full video, we could easily do that right here. We have options for video from video or video from image. Well, for example, here we can also do text to video, meaning you enter some descriptive text and it turns it into a video. Or we can turn a single image into a video. Or we could even use specific model references and so on. I think that if that's okay with you, what I can do right now is upload a random photo of myself. For example, I will pick this one here. Let me just get this started. No, look, it's asking me for 75, and for text to video, how much does it ask for? Of course, it's asking me for $75, so we'd have to pay, and I don't want to, or I want to show it to you for free, absolutely for free. It's a shame, and if we lower the video quality, it can't be lowered. If we do it here, it doesn't lower it either. I wanted to show you something nice, and honestly, this is messing things up for me because I don't want to pay because it's telling me I'd have to pay 15 a month to get 1,000 credits. And I don't feel like it. I don't feel like paying for it. And let's try something else. Let's try. Look, generating this is 20. In lyric playback mode, the standard easy mode, remix mode, easy, everything is set. 20 and I have 10, this would be fine. Let's see. An artificial intelligence image, it also creates it for me. Okay? It creates it for me. Okay? So we can try what we were going to try, but with the image, instead of having it make a video, because I understand that's more expensive and also uses more resources, which makes perfect sense. So let's upload my image, give it a fun prompt, and have it generated to see what it does. All right, let's see what it does. Well, here you can see, as you can tell, what it's saying, the quality of 1K, 2K, or even 4K. Okay, here we could set, for example, how you want the image. If you want it for social media, for example, like TikTok or something like that, you can change it, set it up differently, and so on. So the thing is, this one fascinates me because I've seen, let me know in the comments, okay? Please let me know down in the comments if you want me to pay for it, so I can show you the full video feature of all the amazing things this artificial intelligence is truly capable of. If you want to see the video feature, we can try it out and do it, okay? I'll pay for it for you guys, of course, no problem at all. So what we are going to do first is upload my personal image into the editor, and then we are going to provide a specific instruction saying something like, okay, I want you to make it so that, for example, my shirt gradually begins to tear and rip apart right here in the middle of the frame. Well, of course, it's just that if that's not it, what I want is that the dark black shirt that I'm currently wearing suddenly and violently rips wide open, with the fabric tearing apart at the seams and exposing everything underneath in an instant. And underneath, it is actually the iconic Superman suit. I don't know how I thought of it. It just came to me, which sounds absolutely crazy, but it's okay. And right underneath his everyday clothes is the legendary Superman suit. The background, I really want there to be a traditional classic phone booth, clearly visible in the shot. An old-fashioned phone booth. Right on the busy city street corner. For example, like Clark Kent style, okay? Clark Kent style. I'm not really sure if I can think of anything else like that. Kind of. It is definitely raining outside. And as you can see, my hair is currently absolutely and completely dripping wet. With these drops on my face, let's take a look and see if it's realistic. If you don't quite get it, well, no. I'm thinking we should definitely have it done. Okay, let's have it done and see what you think about it. I honestly don't know, but I think it could look really cool like that, right? I think it could look really cool. You can choose to make the image public or not, honestly. I don't really care either way. Well, let's go ahead and make it private for now, and let's generate it to see the final result it creates for us with what we've come up with. And really, we need to see if it's worth paying for this or not for now. I mean, ultimately, for what it's supposed to be. Looking at the image afterwards, if we really want to see things like videos, songs and so on, we would definitely have to pay a bit more money. We would need to add more funds to the balance and then see if we actually end up liking the final result or not, okay? I understand that for sure many of you will tell me in the comments that yes, I should definitely do it, so we will go ahead and do that and see how it goes for us. As we can clearly see, the processing takes quite a while to finish, so let's just pause the video for a moment, and as soon as it is ready, I will show you everything. Well, here we have an image that, from what little I have seen so far, looks absolutely spectacular and very impressive. Let's take a look at it. Wow. Wow, to be honest, I don't know what you think, but it really made it absolutely perfectly. But it made it perfectly. Look, I can't actually remove the watermark right now, okay? But what I can do is download it. I can definitely download it, and I could even create a full video right here, okay? Actually, I'm standing right in the middle of the screen now, so I'm going to move myself out of the way so you can see everything clearly, okay? From here, I can create a brand new video with this specific image, or even just download it to my device, which I've already done. I downloaded it just a moment ago, okay? However, if I try to remove the watermark, then it immediately asks me to pay for a subscription, all right? But I think it's a spectacular photo. I don't know what you all think about this, but I truly believe that for free, we've managed to do something really fun, just like I originally promised at the very beginning, and quite beautiful, right? I don't know, I think so. Let me know in the comments if you want me to pay or not. Smash the like button, it really helps me out, okay? And of course, subscribe and hit the bell, absolutely. You know, I'm Kebron and I'm here to serve you.